Old fashioned still rocks. And I ain't gonna take that from the old folks, no. Imagine having hundreds of documents on your decks to sign and spending almost half of your day signing all these documents. Very exhausting. But what if I tell you you can sign this document digitally? You can sign only one document and print hundreds of them later. What if you also set up a canvas to design or to paint a portrait? You spend almost 3 days painting this portrait. How many people are going to see this portrait? And how many people can you sell these portraits to? Only one person. But what if I tell you you can sell to thousands of people online by painting digitally? You can paint digitally with the help of Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. What am I insinuating? Technology is advancing rapidly and there's nothing we can do about it. Today, remote jobs are everywhere in the country. You can just be in your office, be in your room, and perform incredible tasks for companies outside the country. Awesome people called developers have sat down to develop beautiful softwares to make work easy and also to be executed on time. These softwares are not for free. You need to patronize them. But I don't know whether you have the money like me to be able to patronize these softwares. There are thousands of softwares around the world. Thousands of developers are developing thousands of softwares every single day. And these softwares are very expensive. You may not have the money because you are starting up afresh. What if I tell you you can get all the softwares you need in the world for free, but with caution? Today, I'm taking you through two beautiful websites where you can download any premium softwares for free. This is for educational purposes. You can use this for your personal project. If you want to use this in your commercial job, then you are going to bear the consequences. Because when you take softwares for free, you can be arrested in the United States or in the United Kingdom. Well, I don't know whether you can be arrested in Africa, but in the Western world, you can be arrested for taking softwares for free because they are designed to be sold, not to be taken for free. Maybe you are starting up, you would love to patronize them, but you don't have the money. Don't worry, I'm taking you through a platform where you can get all the softwares you need and even discover new softwares that you didn't know about. So follow me whilst I take you through the platform where you can download all these softwares for your project. The very first one is Get Into PC. I love this platform so much. Do you know why? Because they have a lot of categories. Categories, so no matter your field, there is something for you. So these are the software categories. When you click on the categories, there's a lot of software that you can download. So whether you are looking for 3D analysis, 3D animation, 3D CAD, 3D designing, 3D material rendering, or 3D modeling, there is something for you. So if you only know about one software under 3D designing, then hey, you have about 379 softwares that you can use for 3D designing. This is done in an alphabetical way, starting from A to Z. So meaning that no matter what you do, there is something for you. Coming down, we have ad blocker, we have analysis, analytics, anti-spy, we have antivirus, architecture, audio processing, authoring, automation, backup recovery, backup tool. So whatever software that you need, you're gonna get it here for free. There's one of the software that I love so much. I'm talking about the Android emulators. I even have a video on Android emulators. These emulators help you install Android apps on your computer, whether laptop or a desktop for free. So if you have misplaced your phone, you can still use your favorite WhatsApp, TikTok, or Facebook. I'm going to take you through how to download the software. So let's say PDF editor. You click on PDF editor. We have about 126 PDF editor, meaning we have a lot of them that even you didn't know about. So this second one is PDF Fixer Pro free download. You click on it, it takes you to the window where you can download this software. One thing I like about this website is that they tell you about the software, so you even know much about the software before you even try to download it. And screenshot as well. So yes, download full setup. Full setup. When you click on download, it's going to take you to another window where it's going to load from Linux server. So that is all. It is going to load and it's going to start the downloading. You can see that over here. I don't want to download this software, so I'm going to cancel. This is Get Into PC. We're going to go to the second one called Sardine PC. Sardine PC is just like Get Into PC. They also give free premium softwares. Any software that you can mention, they have it right over here. So you can download any of them. So if you see right over here, this is called Internet Download Manager. So if you need something to download stuffs from the internet, you can download this. This is Windows 11 iOS download, 64-bit, all editions, and it is pre-activated. So you don't have to worry about activation key. These are the two incredible platforms where you can download any premium softwares for free. But as I said, taking softwares for free can cost you. I recommend using this personally, but not for commercial. Once a software crash, there is nobody you report to, because if you buy the software, you can get premium help from the developers. So whether you lost something, whether you crash, your software crash, you can still recover your project. Bear in mind that once you start making money, you have to patronize the software, because these softwares are not there to be downloaded for free. You need to patronize them. So imagine you are the developer and people are taking your piece of work for free. Are you gonna like it or not? So as you're not gonna like it, then don't just take software for free. Make sure you patronize them from the developers. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell to receive all my future uploads. I have a lot of videos you can watch. I have a video on how to get HD photos and videos for your projects, and then I also have a video on how to get background music and sound effects that are non-copyrighted. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.